Hey guys, I am back again with another video, and today I'm gonna give you guys 5 different hairstyles that I do to prevent breakage while my hair is in mini braids. I noticed that I have a super old video with mini twists in which I showed you guys hairstyles with mini twists in, but I've never done a video for mini braids. So I was like, stick out on me right now, and I got the time. I'm about to show you guys what I be putting my hair in, because I don't leave it down all the time. It's actually irritating having to worry about it not like bending or anything when I sleep. But when it gets to that time to, where I don't care if the length is still like showing and whatever, that's when I start doing hairstyles with it and stuff. So obviously from the last video, this hairstyle is nowhere near old. It's literally a few days old, like probably like 3 days. And so 3 or 4 days actually. But I am going to show you guys what the hairstyles are. Obviously they're like updos and roll and tuck and all that stuff. So if you want to see how I put my braids away and the styles that I do for it, just keep watching. So this is the first hairstyle. I'm just using a scrunchie for pretty much all the hairstyles in this video. And for this first hairstyle, it'll be a ponytail into a bun. And this ponytail, you can also leave your ends out, but to have further protection, I like to put it in a bun so it's not on my clothes or anything. And I'm also adding a rubber band, just one rubber band. I'm not, putting it around twice. It just once, just to hold my hair in. For the second hairstyle, it's gonna be an updo. This is really just a higher version of the low bun, so this is a high bun. And for this hairstyle, I'd like to put a scarf around it just to add some fun, some color. But as you guys can see, I'm not making it very tight or anything, and I'm also not making it super neat. I like mine to be messy because my ends are curled. Like, it looks so much better like that to me. Obviously, I also leave the roots a little loose so that it's not pulling at my roots too much. For this third hairstyle, which I really like, and I feel like you can have a headband with this one, I like to do a roll and tuck on one side. And if my hair was parted on the side as well, like if I had more hair on one side, I'd also do that just on one side and not both sides. This is more of an elegant look, and I do this into a side ponytail and a bun. And obviously, like I said before, you can also leave your ends out for it. But I like how the ends look curly and how that shows at the top. Yeah, my braids are looking mad sleek, I swear. For this fourth hairstyle, I like to put a little bit of hair back. This is really for like the shorter hairs, and at the end you'll see like I'll just have 2 in the front. This is for the hairs that won't reach all the way back. So I like to do this so that my hair is out of my face and I don't have to worry about it for real. And then I take the rest of my hair and I'll start tucking it inwards and put that into a low bun as well and tuck. With this hairstyle, you can also use a headband and roll and tuck that way. In this case, I didn't really want to use a headband because, like I said, my hair is still fresh and I didn't want the headband's print to be left on my braids or anything. But this is what the back looks like. For this last hairstyle, which I really like, it's super cute. It's a half up, half down hairstyle. Would I really call this a protective style? I'd say partially, but obviously the rest of my hair would be out. With this hairstyle, you can really just do anything with it. You can go crazy, do whatever you want. Um, I just like having it this way. It makes me look cute. You already see I'm full of myself, but I'll see you guys in my next video.